I'm the king. Now we learn about G5 finger on low G and middle G. Focus on your rhythm, running and walk by singing the song while playing. Ready, set, go. From G, go up and down, all the way up to D. Ready? I am the king, I am the king. D, show your neighbor, white key natural, go down one by one. Again, fifth. I am the queen, I am the queen. From G, go up and down, G, all the way up to D. Now skipping on the line. D, skipping D, D, skipping to D, D. Show your neighbor, white key, go down two, two to G, B, fifth, fourth, third. Slow version. Once upon a time there lived a king too. I am the king too. I am the king too. He and the queen rule everything. I am the queen too. I am the queen too. Can you move your big strong nine? Learning chess, chess is the best. Let's set the chessboard game. Music, what's your favorite game? Fast version. Once upon